Hello everyone, and today's topic is urinary system. It is also called as a renal system. Excess ions and metabolic waste product by body cells removed to prevent toxic substances from accumulation and poisoning of the body, and waste removed from the body as urine. And a function of urinary systems are excretion of waste product and foreign substances, regulation of body blood volume, and kidney absorb or eliminate water from the blood, which regulate the blood volume. Maintain ionic composition of blood, for example, sodium, potassium, calcium, phosphate, etc. Regulate blood pressure, adjust volume of blood in the body, and flow as a blood both in the out and both in out kidney via enzyme renin. Kidney secrete renin, which activate angiotensin aldosterone pathway and increase BP. Then regulate the pH homeostasis of blood, and kidney excrete H plus ions that lack H atom, hydrogen atom that lack their single electron into urine. At the same time, kidney also conserve bicarbonate ions, which are important buffer of H plus. Production of RBCs are kidney contribute to the production of RBCs by releasing the hormones erythropoietin, which stimulate the erythropoiesis, that is production of RBCs. Synthesis of vitamin D, sorry, helps synthesis calcitol, that is active form of vitamin D. Composition of urinary systems are: first is kidney, the bean-shaped organ located just below rib cage or either side of the spine, protected by the muscles and fat, and a roughly size of a fist, and male kidney bigger than the female. Very well vascularized, or on superior region renal glands are present. Production of hormone aldosterone stimulate sodium reabsorption, and formation of how the urine get excrete. Formation of urine, then it get into the nephron is a functional structural and functional unit of the kidney. Flow nephron of covering tubules called collecting duct, then join together to form a minor cycles. Then ureter, urinary bladder, and through urethra excrete out the urine. Ureter is a narrow tube for each kidney, carry urine kidney to bladder. Muscles in ureter walls tight and relax, forcing urine downward away from the kidney. Next is a urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is tangle-shaped hollow organ located in lower abdomen, placed by the ligament attached to the organ and pelvic bones. Pelvic bladder release and expand to store urine and contract and flatten to empty urine through the urethra. Healthy bladder can store 2 cup of urine for 2 to 5 hours. Bladder expel urine into urethra by a process called micturition, that is urination. Micturition involves both action, that is voluntary and involuntary actions, that is sphincter muscles. There are two types of sphincter muscles present in a urinary system. Circular muscles helps in keeping urine from leaking by closing tightly like a rubber band around the bladder. Internal urethral sphincter and external urethral sphincter. These two sphincters are present in urinary system. Nerves in a bladder alert the person when it is a time to urinate or empty the bladder. Next is urethra tube. This is tube-like structure. In male, urethra serves semen ejaculation and urine excretion. Mechanism of urine formation: each kidney contains 1 million of nephron. Nephron is structural and functional unit of the nephron. Then next, glomerulus, which is a site of blood filtration, and glomerulus is surrounded by the cup-like structure. called as the glomerulus capsule. It is also called a Bowman's capsule. First, we will see the glomerulus filtration. Blood enters into the kidney by renal arteries. Arteries divided into arterioles in Bowman's capsule called as afferent arterioles. Then next, uh, that afferent divided to form a tube capillaries called a glomerulus surrounded by the Bowman's capsule. Then plasma separated from blood cells in Bowman's capsule. Second is the tubular reabsorption. Blood plasma filtrate passes forward through many tiny tubules. Cells lining the tubules activate, absorb, and return valuable nutrients such as glucose, sodium, protein. Tubular secretion and excretion. Cells lining the tubules also actively secrete certain product into lumen, example some drugs. Waste product, ions, and water remaining in the tubules eventually reach collecting duct as urine will be excreted. Then what is the composition of urine, or that volume color of urine? Component of urine contain 93 to 97% of water, nitrogen, waste, and unneeded substances. Volume that 700 to 2000 ml per day. Then color of urine is the clear and pale yellow. Smell is aromatic and the pH is slightly acidic 4 to 4.5 to 8, but changes with what we eat.